Hello guys, I'm here at the Wildflower here in Westgate, Alabang. Another day, another Hugot Lines.
Valentine's is coming!
Hugot Lines. Napasok tayo. Thursday tayo. My review here in Wildflower. Yes. January 21, 2026. Hi Miss. Hello. Hi, I'm a vlogger tonight. What's your name?
L po, sir.
Hi, hi.
For the cakes po ba, sir? Bestseller po namin.
Anong bestseller na?
We have tres leches, opera cake, and then yung wild flour cheesecake signature cake.
Wow. Looks delicious, ha?
Yes, sir. Ito, wild flour cheesecake signature
Itanong
cake.
ako sa'yo.
Ano po yun?
Cake ka ba? Cake ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi cake, kain love ka eh. Alright. Thank you for listening. Yun. Shoutout ka sa Wildflower.
Shout out po, sir.
Yes, mo.
Pastry, sir. Baka gusto niyo.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, ha.
Welcome
Okay,
po.
bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm here at the Wildflower. Another day. Another Hugot Lines. Hi, Miss. Hi. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Weng.
Weng?
Yes po.
Hi, Weng. Ganda mo naman. Woo! Anong in-order mo dito? Anong in-order mo?
Iced coffee.
Kala ko cake.
Ha?
Cake.
Bakit cake?
Kasi cake, kain love ka eh. G! G! Alright. January 21. Hello guys, I'm here again. The Pasturia Coffee Shop. Hi guys! Hello. Pasturia de Luna. Another day, another fast talk. Alright, fast mo tayo sa Pasturia. Alright, yun, coffee shop, madam. I'm here at the Pasturia. Hoy, I miss! Nakupunta! I'm here at the Pasturia. Hi, hello. Hi, what's your name?
Joseph.
I'm a vlogger, King Ariel. And how about you? Hi, Miley. Can I join you? Ayan, thank you. Okay na ba? Let's do fast talk. Ha?
Fast talk, sir?
For our Valentine's special. Ha? Okay? G!
Go.
G, are you guys married? Or...
Yes, married na po.
Married na. Ilang years na?
2 years.
2 years? Anong anniversary nyo?
December 6.
December 6? 2000? Ano?
22.
Oo, tama. Saan kayo nagkakilala?
Tagaytay po.
Knock ka na Tagaytay. Talaga? Anong, what are the traits you like about him? The most, you like about him?
Pogi.
Saan sasagot? Oh. Anong, nagustuhan mo sa kanya?
Cute.
Cute talaga?
Mabait.
Ikaw? Ano nga?
Lahat sa kanya eh.
Oh! Haba naman ang hair. Talaga? Be specific, like physical.
Physical.
Yeah.
Forehead.
Forehead? Bakit? Bakit forehead?
Ano yung pag pinapawisan siya, nakikita ko talaga yung
Ikaw, physical. How about character? Ano nga natin mo kay Sir Joseph?
nose.
Ha?
Face.
Oh my, well, oh? Talaga?
Pakistani.
Social Jolog.
Sorry.
Hoy! Ikaw, Social Jolog.
Jolog.
Oo, di ba? See? Ito na. Ang papinali. Lifeson. Lifeson. Ha?
On.
Ha?
On.
Oh, on. Wow! Confident. On. Best time for happiness.
Every time.
Oh! About you?
Same.
Oh, anyways, well, thank you for being sport and thank you for your time. Advance happy Valentine's.
Best happy
Ha?
Valentine's.
Good luck. Saan ang date niyo sa Valentine's?
Rizal.
Saan?
Rizal.
Tanay Rizal?
Tanay Rizal.
Gamble? Ano? Parang camping?
Camping.
Oo. Talaga? Adventures pa talaga kayo, no?
Doon siya nag-propose.
Doon ako nag-propose, so doon din.
Wow! Talaga?
Tanay Rizal.
Naiyak ka naman.
Natawa siya eh.
Natawa? Bakit?
Masira kasi yung plano ko, biglang umulan. Dapat magbibigay kami sa parang veranda nila. So,
And then?
parang naging joke na lang yung proposal ko na inabot ko na sa kanya bigla.
Pero still naiyak pa rin siya. Napaiyak pa rin siya.
Natawa talaga siya eh.
Natawa?
Oo, hindi niya expected na parang
Happy yun, hindi yun ang...
Pero natouch ka rin na ano. Oo. Well, good luck to the both of you and ilan na yung ano yung kids nyo? Or, ano?
wala.
Wala pa. Okay, God's perfect time na. Darating din yan. Okay? Thank you for being sport, guys, and advance happy Valentine's. Okay? Yes! Okay? Okay, bye! Okay, good luck, good luck. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Sir Joseph and Maylene. Okay? Alright, you're the Pastor Kuya. Advance happy Valentine's. Sino to?